Electromagnetic spectrum. Yuri and I are here to try to explain just what light is. So when you see light, what you're actually seeing is different wavelengths. Now I've got my ESRT diagram right here, and you can see that this is the exact same diagram that, if we look right here, we can see. And so increasing wavelength, decreasing wavelength. Let's look over here, and let's try to draw that. So a blue wave, blue light and purple light, they're going to have very small waves. And what that means is not how long the whole thing is, but just the wavy part. So do you see how this is much more wavy and this is much less wavy? Red wavelength has a longer wave. Blue wavelength has a shorter wave. And that's why you can see the difference in colors between the two. And a purple wave would be very short. Hopefully I drew that a tiny bit more smushed up than the red. So that's all wavelength is. When you're talking radio waves and microwaves, I'll use red for radio waves. They are really long waves. And then gamma rays, I'll use the purple. We can't see them. X-rays, they're super, 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 super squished. They're super short. The shorter the wavelength, they can go through stuff. That's why UV rays are dangerous for your skin. They can give you skin cancer because they can go through the outer layer of your skin because they're pretty short, ultraviolet radiation. X-rays are even shorter. They can go through all of your tissue, not your bones. Gamma rays, that's what made the Incredible Hulk. Gamma rays would go right through bone, tissue, everything, okay? And so the longer the waves are over here and the shorter the waves are over there. And that whole concept is going to control a lot of different things that we learn about this year. We're going to use it to see some evidence about Big Bang Theory and what's happening out in space. We analyze the light that comes from space. And we're going to use it when we learn about global warming and greenhouse effect and all these different things. But it comes down to different wavelengths make different kinds of light. And if you're ever asked a question about the light, you have to look on your ESRT on this page here and be able to match up which ones are the short waves. Like this is a really short wavelength right here. That's like gamma and X-ray. This is medium, like the visible light. And then this would be more like microwave and radio waves. Anything that I missed, Yuri? Yuri just wanted to wave goodbye.